Hey guys, turn rest here. I got an old pocket knife I'm going to clean up here. It's an iron carbon steel USA pocket knife. It's got bone scales on it. It's a Stockman. It's got the clip blade here with the long nail nick and a little swedge here. It's got a spay blade and a sheep's foot there. Has a little bit of snap to it on this side. This one not so much, and this point sticking out here. I'm gonna have to do something about that. But anyway, I think I'm just gonna use a Dremel and a few little instruments, some sandpaper and stuff, and just see what I could do with it. Because I don't want to try to take this thing apart. I'd probably ruin it. So I'm just gonna see what I can do without getting too crazy on it. So let's see what happens. Okay, I think I'm done for now. This will be my new EDC for gardening and stuff. We can test it out a little bit here. Got a little piece of paper. Pretty sharp. So it works. Goes pretty easily through an apple.